3 natural skincare products you can make at home. In a world where the beauty industry is filled with complex formulations and synthetic ingredients, the allure of simplicity and natural goodness is undeniable. Making your own skincare products not only allows you to tailor them to your specific needs but also ensures that you know exactly what you're putting on your skin. Here are 3 simple yet effective DIY skincare recipes that harness the power of natural ingredients. 1. Nourishing Honey and Oatmeal Face Mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of oats, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, optional. Method: 1. Grind the oats into a fine powder using a blender or food processor. 2. Mix the oat flour with the raw honey until you have a smooth paste. Add coconut oil if your skin needs extra moisture. 3. Apply the mixture to clean, dry skin and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. 4. Rinse off with lukewarm water, gently massaging in circular motions to exfoliate the skin. 5. Pat your skin dry and follow up with your favorite moisturizer. Benefits: oats gently exfoliate the skin, removing dead cells and impurities. Honey is a natural humectant, attracting moisture to the skin and promoting hydration. Coconut oil provides additional nourishment, leaving the skin soft and supple. 2. Soothing Green Tea Toner. Ingredients: 1 green tea bag or 1 tablespoon of loose green tea leaves, 1 cup of hot water, 1 to 2 drops of tea tree essential oil, optional. Method: 1. Steep the green tea bag or leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the tea to cool to room temperature. 2. Remove the tea bag or strain the leaves, transferring the brewed tea to a clean container. 3. Add a drop or 2 of tea tree essential oil for its antibacterial properties, if desired. 4. Store the toner in a sealed bottle or jar in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Benefits: green tea is rich in antioxidants, apply the toner which help to fight free radicals and protect the skin from environmental damage. Tea tree oil has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it ideal for acne-prone or sensitive skin. This toner helps to balance the skin's pH, tighten pores, and soothe irritation. 3. Hydrating Avocado and Yogurt Face Mask. Ingredients: 1/2 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey, optional. Method: 1. Mash the avocado in a bowl until smooth and creamy. 2. Stir in the yogurt and honey until well combined, adjusting pH consistency as needed. 3. Apply the mask to clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area. 4. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. 5. Follow up with your regular skincare routine. Benefits: avocado is packed with vitamins and healthy fats that nourish and hydrate the skin, leaving it soft and glowing. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates the skin and promotes cell turnover. Honey adds moisture and helps to soothe and calm any irritation or redness. Harnessing the power of nature, these DIY skincare recipes offer a refreshing alternative to store-bought products. By using simple, natural ingredients, you can create effective treatments that promote healthy, radiant skin without the need for harsh chemicals or additives. Experiment with these recipes and tailor them to suit your skin's unique needs, embracing the beauty of homemade skincare.